Welcome to GoPro Bugs and Issues. Never again will I have a bug or issue. Will you decide if this is an issue you want? One, two, three. Wake up. On the table you see a number of products. It's your Lanzi G87 door. So you can use the Promic 3.5mm adapter or use a USB Type A cable. A Rode Wireless Go setup, which can use the standard mic, powered mic, line-in mic of the audio input output. This is a Rode VideoMicro, which is a non-powered mic, which will use the standard mic only. I'm not here to prove that the standard mic and the powered mic is just basically a plug-in. I'm here to prove to you that this setup is issued and no longer works the way it's supposed to. Watch the SD card. If we come here and we simply plug in and GoPro says refrain from using quick capture with any of the mics. This is a powered mic, and the reason why I say is powered, the receiver is being powered by a battery. The transmitter is transmitting powered microphone to the receiver, so it's considered a powered mic. I may have not said it correctly for some of the professionals out there. We are ready to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are recording with the Rode Wireless Go on a standard mic. So as we stop our recording, our 12-second record has recorded. No way we can stop it to keep the screen on. We must allow the camera to finish its shutdown. Normally it's 3 seconds. It's a little longer this time. As we turn our camera on, all we need to do is swipe up and I can listen to the sound of the video. We are ready to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are recording with the Rode Wireless Go on a standard mic. Let's delete it. 100%. We have video and audio. As we swipe down, preference, input, output, powered mic. I have chosen standard mic. I did not choose powered mic. So here's standard mic. Again, 100% certain. We deleted the video. Do our save. We record with the mode on standard microphone of the GoPro. We swipe up. We record with the mode on standard microphone of the GoPro. We delete the video again. Now we're going to shut everything down. We're going to remove the Rode Wireless Go. We're going to hook up the VideoMicro. Clicks in. Clicks in. Clicks in. Refrain from using quick capture. Quick capture is not to be used on a standard microphone of GoPro with a Promic and media module. We manually turn our camera on, so we're all set up now to record sound. Let's play our sound.
Quick capture is not to be used on a standard microphone of GoPro with the Promic.
Let's delete. Let's remove. I'm just going to remove the battery. I'm going to disconnect so everything can simply discharge. I'm going to press the shutter button, the mode on. I'm just going to insert my battery back. Maybe there'll be a flicker. And I am going to hit quick capture when I put all this in. 100%. I hit quick capture again. This is a test, 1, 2. After doing this over repeatedly, I have previous video of this failing to work. So let it shut down. 3 seconds, 10 seconds. Never an accurate shutdown. Turn the camera on. Do that again. Turn the camera on. Do that. Did you just hear some beeps? I just heard some beeps. I'm on 1080p. I was just on 4K. What's happening here, GoPro? Let's play the video. I just got a frozen thing. My camera completely reset, doing whatever it wants to do. As I hit this, you saw it just slide down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It should flicker when I turn it on. Turn it on again. Turn it on again. I'm going to do a 30-second press. That means I'm going to waste 30 seconds of your time. And that means, I guess, when this video goes to 8 minutes, I should be pretty good to go. These issues are not me. This is a brand new issue just happening out of nowhere. I'm about 30 seconds in. I'm going to just simply remove the battery. I'm going to insert the battery. Turn the camera on. I'm going to swipe up. I'm going to play.
This is a test, 1, 2. After doing this over repeatedly, I have previous video.
Did you take note that I'm on 4K? Could you tell me what mode that was on? Because I did not see what the profile was. I'm more or less no longer going to worry about a GoPro issue ever again. GoPro, bugs and issues. Have a great day, everybody. I'm sorry I wasted GoPro's time. TRS to TRS cable supplied by Rode. As we plug in, 100% clicked in. To the Promic, 100% clicked in. Inserting the battery. Closing the Ulanzi G87. Notice the card acknowledgement, 100% in. Turning on the camera, one more time. On standard, swipe down, preference, to the audio input output, testing the Rode VideoMicro with the GoPro Hero 8, manual on, test over. Swipe up. Not a single thing of audio recorded. This is now the newest issue of a GoPro Hero 8.